Being dirty can sometimes be fun, but not when it comes to keto. My name is Jamie. Welcome to my channel, Here's to Your Health by Jamie. I am your certified ketogenic health coach and an emergency room nurse. And what I want to talk about in this video is dirty versus clean keto and why you don't want to do ketogenic diet in a dirty way. What do I mean by that? Let's talk about it. So you've heard of all the great benefits that a ketogenic diet can do for you, including helping with your hunger, cravings, obesity, getting rid of that excess belly fat, fatty liver, and all the things that come with doing keto in a healthy way. People come to me and they typically have a lot of side effects, including like the keto flu. They're losing their hair, they're feeling awful, cholesterol levels are just crazy high. We have to do keto in a very healthy way. So what is the difference between dirty keto and healthy keto or clean keto? When you are coming into a ketogenic diet, you're typically coming in to this lifestyle change in a unhealthy metabolic state. So when you're coming into this, you have an obese belly, maybe you have a fatty liver, you probably have some nutrient deficiencies already coming into this diet that you didn't even know, like B vitamins, minerals, electrolytes, all of these things. So when you drastically change your metabolism, so your body is going to stop relying on the sugar that it's used to, and it's going to start switching to a different fuel source, which is your fat. This is a normal metabolic process to use your fat or dietary fat for fuel. But, from our diet, our lifestyle, we're stuck in that carbohydrate fed state. So when you come into this new lifestyle, you have to really support your body. It's going to require a lot of nutrients because, one, you're already coming in with a deficiency or unhealthy metabolic state. So when this change is happening at the cellular level, you need to support these cells. They're doing house cleaning. They need to build the mitochondria to start burning ketones for fuel. They need a lot of this stuff. So when you come into a ketogenic diet, you need to do it in a very clean way. It means that you're going to get in fiber from above ground vegetables, right? You need fiber. So that is going to help support your liver, support your gut. Plus it's going to bring in these vitamins, minerals, microminerals, electrolytes, fluid, all of these things that your body is desperately going to need during this change. So you need fiber. You need healthy fats. Healthy fats are very important here. When you go on a ketogenic diet and you start losing your body fat, you're going to start breaking down that body fat, and it's going to break down into cholesterol and triglycerides. I'm going to do a whole separate video on this, but that will increase your cholesterol temporarily because your body fat is breaking down. You really need to get healthy fats into your diet to increase your HDLs. These are the cholesterol transporters that bring cholesterol back to the liver so that it can be recycled out. Healthy fats are like your olive oils, your avocado oils, your avocados, your nuts, your fatty fishes, right? You need a lot of these omega-3s as well. These are essential fatty acids that you need in your diet that will help you with this cholesterol that's going to bump. That's very important. Next category food is protein. So you need protein. Protein, if you can get it from a healthy animal source, that is going to be the best. So your 100% grass-fed beef, your heritage-raised pork, your pasture-raised chickens, because those animals are healthy. They're in nature doing what they're supposed to be doing, eating what they're supposed to be eating, so they're going to produce a healthier meat and healthier fat on that product, right? It's going to produce a healthier protein. So if you can get that, that is ideal. I know that can be expensive, but you are investing in your health, and you also will be investing in those farmers who are doing a right thing. So keep that in mind. If you don't know where your protein is coming from, trim off the fat and make it as lean as possible, but add healthy fats back in. So this could be your real butters, not your margarines, the olive oils, the avocado oils, stuff like coconut oil, things like that. So what is dirty keto? Dirty keto means that you are eating a lot of keto-friendly foods. So we don't want the highly processed keto foods. Highly processed. Because even though it's keto friendly, these are still very processed foods that are not going to bring you in all of those minerals, the vitamins, the everything that you need to support your body. Most of these highly processed foods are also going to have rancid oils in there, like your canola oils, which are going to cause more inflammation. With dirty keto is eating a lot of processed meats because they're keto friendly, right? So those are your deli meats, your hot dogs, your bacon, or going to a fast food restaurant all the time, eating bunless burgers. Those are very highly processed meats. And that's going to get you into trouble because it's going to cause a lot of inflammation and increase your LDL numbers. And you don't want that. Another component with dirty keto is eating a lot of sugar-free foods. A lot of these foods go back to the processing, but sugar-free foods, a lot of them have artificial sweeteners or maltodextrin, and maltodextrin can still spike your blood sugar. Plus, when you eat these sugar-free foods that are very sweet, they're going to hit your dopamine and cause you to crave even more. I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments below. If you want to get more guidance in doing keto in a healthy and safe way, please check out my 21-day keto kickstart course. I would love for you to join. Hey, if that video was helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe and support this small creator. Thanks.